Hey everybody, I know it's been a while since I posted a video, almost a year, but I figured I'd show you, give you just a little update. I do have some other videos coming soon, and I'll get those posted sooner or later, but I thought I'd give you a little tour of my little shed and maybe what I've been working on lately, and, you know, it's clutter, it's a disaster, but this is kind of how I function, or barely function. So, tools, hand planes. I like to do a lot of woodworking with old hand planes, things like that. So, old Stanley planes, things like that. More junk, old projects, things people ask me to fix. My wife thinks that garden supplies go in the wood shop, and so I got a weed whacker in there. Fold up table saw that I use. Trying to keep the dust to an absolute minimum in here, so things that produce a lot of dust I drag outside and do out there. Over in that back corner is a laser engraver that I upgraded and built, so I've been doing a lot of that. We got a epoxy river cutting board that's going to somebody soon, and then sharpening some hand planes. Here's some lasered 2020 fuck flakes that are quite popular right now, but are kind of hard to produce in this little laser engraver. So some knives I've been working on. This will end up being a kitchen knife with a camphor laurel stock. Let's see, what else have I got here? Stack of wood. This is eucalyptus. I got sweet gum, basswood for different carvings, things that I like to do. I have a little Ouija board, cutting board that I'm working on. This will all be hand carved and then inlaid with a black epoxy. I have pictures of one of these that I've already done for the Strange and Unusual Gallery in Chicago, or actually Joliet, Illinois, that they've been selling them for me out of there. But little air conditioner, my bandsaw, another bandsaw for cutting metal, more wood. So just a pile of junk everywhere. This is needs to be organized, but I don't necessarily have drawers and things like that to put stuff, so it just moves from one junk pile to the next junk pile. So, but this is what's going on right now. This is what's on the bench, and I got a couple big sign carvings that I'm going to do pretty soon. So I'm going to make videos for those for YouTube. Those are going to be a little bit of both router and hand carved. And those will be going up to a marina up in Michigan. And so, I don't know, this is kind of my little workshop, what goes on around here. Give you an idea of how messy it is. All the junk that's in it. So, anyway, I will post some more videos soon and show you what I screw up here in the future and all that kind of stuff. Anyway, I'll leave the links to my Instagram. That's where I post a lot of stuff. I do a lot of cutting boards and monogram cutting boards and things like that. I just haven't posted them on Facebook because, truthfully, I mean, how many videos do you need of me doing the exact same thing? So it's kind of pointless. But I'll post some different carving content, both router carving and maybe a little incorporating a little laser engraving into there, and some hand carving and stuff like that. But that's pretty much what the shop looks like. it needs a good thorough cleaning. Maybe I could send the kids out here to help with a little child labor. And I've got a big project coming up to replace this 3/4 inch tabletop on this bench with some solid southern pine. I got a couple big chunks already laminated and glued and everything down here. There's my crock pot for making beeswax conditioner for the cutting boards. So those are going to be a couple pieces of southern yellow pine that are laminated together that will then become the tabletop for this workbench. And I'll get rid of this piece of plywood that's on there because it's not very solid and stable, and it's constantly warping, and it's not very flat. So need an upgrade there. But anyway, if you guys have any comments or questions or anything like that, I will be more than happy to answer them. And that's about it, guys. Take it easy.